guys, it's your girl Kay coming to you with another video. This is how I created this look, so if you're interested in seeing how I created it, keep on watching the video. I used the Aina ABH palette, so y'all don't want to miss this, okay? So keep on watching. Here I'm just going in with this cooling primer from Sephora. This first one's in deep taupe, and then the second one's going to be in pink beige. Here I'm just showing you Ms. Jackie's palette up close, and this thing is so gorgeous. I saw it when I was in Qatar at Sephora and I wanted to get it, but it was sold out, so I had to order it and wait till I got home. Now I'm just going to go in with ginger, and I'm going to be adding that into my crease as a transition color. Using credit, I'm going to add some nice depth to my eyes. Hope you guys are staying safe during this quarantine. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe this video. If you haven't liked this video yet, what are you doing? And make sure you turn on your post notifications. Now I'm going in with Sponsored to put this on my lid, on my inner lid, and this color is so pretty. I love it so much. I just went back in with credit to go ahead and deepen that outer crease and blend it in with Sponsored. Now I'm going in with Dwala's for my inner tear ducts color to bring some shine and some light to my eyes. And then now I'm just going to be using the Fenty Flyliner, which is one of my favorite eyeliners, and I'm just going to be bringing it out. You must think you're really slick. I know you didn't like this video. Go like it, or else I'ma find you. Now I'm going with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And this is my first time using it. I saw it at Walmart and I decided to give it a try, and so far so good. I'll be going with the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 370, and also I'm going to add 368 to kind of lighten it up a little bit. I felt like it was a little bit red on me and I wanted to better match my skin tone. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 450, and I'm just gonna put that under my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. I'm using my Fenty Pro Filter powder in Nutmeg to set that concealer, and I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit to really give it that just applying this Million Lashes mascara. Any mascara will do. This is the one I had, and just gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna go back in with Credit for my under eye area, my waterline area, and we're just gonna kind of smoke that out a little bit. Now I'm going in with the Diva lashes from KaiSlayzBeauty.com. The information will be down in the description below. Everything will be listed, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Now I'm using the True Complexion palette in medium to dark. I'm just gonna contour, and here I noticed the one I used was pretty dark, and I was like, oh crap. So I went in with the other sculpting color to try and lighten it up a bit because I didn't want it that harsh. Now I'm going in with that highlight shade. It's like a pretty like golden bronzy color. I'm gonna apply that to my cheeks, and then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter as well in Ginger Binge Moscow Mule. And then also I'm gonna top that with my How Many Carats by Fenty as well, because I'm just dramatic and extra. So as you can see, I'm applying it to my cheeks. I'm putting it on my nose, my cupid bow, and I think I did some on my forehead as well. Now I'm gonna melt everything together with this hard candy setting spray that I got from Walmart. I think it's like only $8. And then to finish it off, I'm using the Lipsicklez from KaiSlayzBeauty.com, and this is in a honey glow. So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for staying tuned and watching. Comment down below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and until the next video.